Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to get Discord on your school computer. So in order to get a Discord on your school computer, so there are different ways of doing it. So the first thing what you can do is, in order to access your Discord on your school computer, you can use a VPN to access Discord. So if the web filter on your school computer recognizes web proxy server, you need to take anonymous browsing up one notch. So in this case, you can use a virtual private network, that is VPN. And apart from it, you can also try browsing the app. Sometimes computer in schools and colleges does not block any specific app. Instead, they simply prevent users from downloading executable exe files, which prevent you from installing the app on Discord, apps like Discord on computer. Apart from it, you can also copy the IP address that's only going to be available on Windows. So some school uses keyword-based content blockers to prevent you from accessing website. Instead of blocking, the VPN tools will block some words that our website may contain. For this is one of the easiest way for schools to block websites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all sort of thing. And you can also try installing Discord from external storage. If the browser in your schools blocks certain website and does not allow download, you can try and install the app from external storage. Download the Discord app from another network, for example at home, and transfer it to your computer via an SD card or USB drive. So these were some of the ways to get Discord on your school computer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.